In this problem, we need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we are given cosine of pi over 7. Then it is multiplied to cosine of 2 pi over 7, but 2 pi over 7 can be also expressed as 2 times pi over 7. Multiplied to cosine of, now we have 4 pi over 7, so that's 2 squared times pi over 7. What we will do, we'll consider the first term, that's cosine pi over 7. To it, we are going to multiply 2 sine pi over 7. Now, this is an extra term that we are multiplying, so we'll have to take care of it by dividing it to 2 times sine pi over 7. Now, this is done so that we get 2 times sine pi over 7 multiplied to cosine pi over 7. And this immediately becomes a formula. We'll come back to that in a moment. Next, we have cosine of 2 times pi over 7 multiplied to cosine of 2 squared times pi over 7. We know for a fact that if we have sine 2 theta, so that's equivalent to 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. So in our case, theta is represented by pi over 7, which means we now have 1 over 2 times sine pi over 7. And this will be multiplied to 2 times sine pi over 7 times cosine pi over 7. That becomes simply sine of 2 times pi over 7 multiplied to cosine of 2 times pi over 7 times cosine of 2 squared times pi over 7. Now, as you can see here we have cosine of 2 times pi over 7 multiplied to cosine of 2 pi over 7. This is exactly having the same form as 2 sine theta cosine theta, except that 2 is missing here. What we'll do, we will multiply by 2, and this is an extra term that we're multiplying, so we are going to factor it out by dividing by 2, which gives us 2 squared in the denominator. So now we have 1 over 2 squared times sine pi over 7 multiplied to, now what's the value of 2 sine 2 pi over 7 multiplied to cosine 2 pi over 7? So that will become sine of 2 times 2 pi over 7. So we have multiplied to it as cosine of 2 squared times pi over 7. So let's rewrite it. So we have now 1 divided by 2 squared times sine pi over 7 multiplied to sine 2 squared times pi over 7 multiplied to cosine of 2 squared times pi over 7. And finally, we're going to multiply with one more 2 and also divide by 2. That gives us 1 over 2 cubed multiplied to sine pi over 7. And we have 2 times sine 2 squared pi over 7 multiplied to cosine 2 squared pi over 7. So that becomes sine 2 times 2 squared pi over 7, which is going to give us, we have 1 over 2 cubed times sine pi over 7 multiplied to sine. So 2 times 2 squared, that's going to become 2 cubed. So 2 cubed is 8. We have 8 pi over 7. Now, sine 8 pi over 7, this can be also expressed as sine of pi added to pi over 7. But the moment we write in this fashion, then this will become sine pi over 7. And in the third quadrant, sine is negative. Here we are using the fact that if we have sine of pi plus theta, so that translates to negative sine theta. Meaning we can replace sine 8 pi over 7 with negative sine pi over 7. And in the denominator, we have 2 cubes, so that's 8. So we have 8 multiplied to sine pi over 7. So sine pi over 7 will get factored out, and that leaves us with negative 1 over 8, which means that the value of the trigonometric expression cosine pi over 7 times cosine 2 pi over 7 times cosine 5 pi over 7, that will be equals to negative 1 over 8.